everybody, it's Adam here, and my passion is cooking because it's fun and who doesn't like to eat? Today I'm going to be baking a pita bread pizza. Our ingredients is fresh cut onions, fresh cut tomato, pepperoni, pizza sauce, pita bread, whole milk mozzarella cheese, and basil. Okay, so we're going to put this pizza sauce on here. Good amount of pizza sauce. Then we're going to lay it out, spread it out like that. Ooh, you want it all throughout there. Alright, that's good. And then we are going to take a big scoop of cheese and lay it on there. Then one more scoop will do. Okay? Now we are going to put on the pepperonis. Okay. Okay, so this is the pizza that has cooked for 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Now I'm just going to scoop these onions up, fresh onions, sprinkle them on top. Then I'm going to put this pizza and then take the tomatoes, sprinkle them on, then fresh basil from my garden. Now I'm going to take a bite. That is epic.